The Heart Monitoring Vest project proves that word gets around when parties work effectively together. One project leads to another in building the relationship and the benefits to industry, college, research capacity, and student training. Industrial design firm Ross Doell had already worked with the college on a food science project. Meanwhile, CEO Mike Doell was also connected to Ocorant Inc, an advanced technology startup that had spun out of a lab at Queen's University in Kingston.
I had some experience working with George Brown in the past on some electronics projects and through an intercase project through University of Toronto. And so I thought it would be a good fit once I'd met Samy and knew of Robert and his group. I thought it would be a good idea to get them to work together because they had so much capability in-house that we couldn't do ourselves. Initially it was going to be just for design of the electronics portion of it, but we found that talking to Marcia and Robert that we felt we could go into other departments and have a much broader support base. This was more fashion-based, so it actually had to fit the body. And for us, it was a big time saver because they were much more familiar with the form and sizing and things like that. So we really know the styling, but they were much better at sort of the fit and the production of it.
On Doell's recommendation, Ocorant's CEO, Samy Tobey, initially came to the college's Division of Electronics to build the first physical monitoring device and for verification testing and improvements to the prototype.
I got introduced to the George Brown Research Office, and they were the ones that were really proactive in finding us team members and finding Marcia and the other students, and even proposing some projects and letting us know what capabilities they have in-house to be able to make our project a reality. And they had several suggestions, and the project ended up being a lot more exciting and bigger than we had initially anticipated.